შემდეგი გაჩერება ილიას სახელმწიფო უნივერსიტეტი.
We are in the public transport, the local bus. The price of one trip is 1 lari. And we go in the direction of metro station, which is called Tbilisi. If to change from bus to the metro, if it is in the period of 1.5 hours, the second trip is for free. Many people speak Russian, mostly the older generation. Young people speak mostly English, but also not everyone. In the shops, many shop assistants do not speak English at all. And the entrance to the metro station Tbilisi. The metro system is not as difficult as in Moscow. That is, guys, my first trip by metro, so hope I can understand where to go and how to go. So guys, let's go underground. I will be paying with my card, Metro money card. It is possible to pay for public transport, for cable roads, and also for buses. Taxes are not included in this list. No controls are there in the booth. This trip must be for free because the time period 1.5 hours gives if you would like to change from one public transport onto another. I don't know how many changes it is possible to make, maybe one, so we will check. There was police to the left of us, and they did not tell me that it is forbidden to film.
შემდეგი სადგური სამედიცინო უნივერსიტეტი. Next station, Medical University.
Medical University metro station. The walls are in marble. On the walls the info on the Georgian language, but over there, you see that stand? Over there, the names are in English also. Now outside is incredibly hot, and I decided to spend a few hours underground because here is rather cool. Besides, that is a good chance for me to film something for you. So the public transport, how it works, how metro stations look like. So of course I am comparing everything with Moscow metro. But well, it doesn't matter much because you can see everything with your own eyes and make your own conclusions. they have flags on carriages. Now, guys, is Friday, about 12 o'clock, so lunchtime, but the metro is rather empty. If you go to Moscow metro, it will be very crowded, and the time period between the trains is rather big, so bigger than in Moscow.
Technical University.
The metro station, Technical University. We are going along the Green Line at the moment. So much advertisement on the walls that even the name of the metro station is hidden somewhere behind them. On this particular station, 2 exits, and on information stands, on information bills, all the necessary information is on 2 languages, the Georgian language and the English language. In the times of the Soviet Union, it was Georgian language and Russian language. You see advertisement everywhere, from the beginning up to the end of the wall. The metro station is not as big as in Moscow. They have 2 lines at the moment, and one more line is just in the process of construction. So they have Green Line and Red Line. At the moment we are with you going along the Green Line, Tbilisi, Medical University, and this one, Technical University. Again, the police. I think that is the year when this metro station was built, so the times of the Soviet Union. That is why I think it looks like our metro in Moscow, the same, almost the same tiles on the walls, tile pictures. What I show to you guys and tell you, that is just my personal opinion, what I see, what I think. I did not check especially the info. Let's have a better look on the advertisement stands. So this man is dreaming of a car, I think. Over here, I do not understand. Vitamin D, so some medicine, some vitamins. The promotion of vitamins. Coke Studio. Some beer. About 4 minutes between the trains. Yeah. The same information stand, Technical University. That is the name of the station where we are now. What is here? Medical University, the previous stop, and Tbilisi, where we started this trip. The next stop will be Tbilisi. This stands are not very new. Some vandals wrote something here, you see. In Moscow metro, such stands are newer than here. But all the necessary information that you can need, so it is not a problem to read here. On every stop there is a policeman. Tbilisi station. Again, the policeman is walking along the platform, and not very many people if to compare with Moscow metro. Again, dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4 dogs. Four dogs. And someone gave water to them. The area near metro Tbilisi, that is the exit from the metro station. And here is McDonald's. Police department, that green building over here. That man frightened me a little bit. I thought that that is some kind of a bad man. He wants to take my bag because it was standing on the pavement. It's rather heavy. I have water with me. And the man came up by the bike, and I thought that he would like to grab my bag and leave. So I was rather frightened. So I took my bag immediately and stepped aside. But that was the delivery, and he thought that I was waiting for him.